Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the RIWA token, which stands for Recycle Impact World Association token. Quite a long name there. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing June 26th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the, should I just call it the Riwa coin for short? Riwa? I don't want to read that full name out all the time. So the Riwa token is being listed on a big central exchange June 26th at 6 o'clock UTC time on an exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and then search RIWA, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. I'm just going to call it the Recycle coin for short. That's easier to say. Now, if you want to find their webpage, it is at the-iriwa.com. On there, you can find a full white paper. You can also change the language of the page. Now, this is an Ethereum token. According to their Etherscan, they only have 3 holders, so it's safe to assume that this Mexc Global listing is their initial listing. So I don't see any other transactions, just 3 holders so far, a max total supply of 300 trillion tokens and 9 decimal places on this token according to their Etherscan. Now, as always, I put their Twitter up there in the corner of the page. They just joined in May 2023 at _ERIWA. And they have a Telegram as well that you can find on their webpage. 3,326 members on their Telegram so far. So, the Recycle coin is a cryptocurrency developed to increase responsibility and sustainability in terms of environmental, social, and governance, which are currently important issues worldwide. The coin has built a system that promotes and rewards carbon neutrality and recycling using blockchain technology. The purpose of the Recycle coin is to solve environmental problems using eco-friendly methods in mining, distribution, and trading to fulfill social responsibility and to reward these efforts to encourage more people to be interested in the actively involved environmental issues. So resource circulation, it says spreading efforts to realize a resource circulation society, reduce disposable products, recycle waste in daily life, etc. And also carbon neutrality. Central and local government and industry accelerated transition to carbon neutral society in general. And then we have the value of the Recycle coin lies in the mechanism to solve many problems arising from the carbon neutral recycling resource circulation business. These mechanisms are as follows. So first, in the process of collecting and compensating circular resources, unused resources, and recovered and compensated to users who use them. In this process, more people use circulatory resources and help spread the recycling culture. In the recovery transport phase, high-quality circulating resources are recovered and transported to recycling companies. This process reduces carbon emissions from transport and uses eco-friendly methods to deal with them. In addition, during its own factory transport phase, recycled resources are processed and sold to businesses. In this process, carbon emissions are reduced and eco-friendly methods are used. Finally, in the new resource creation phase, we produce eco-friendly recycled products. So it says, number 1, recycled resource collection compensation, input of circulation resources, user compensation. Number 2, collection, transport, high purity, high circular resource recovery transportation. Number 3, in-house factory transportation, recycled resource processing, renewal company sales. And number 4, the birth of new resources, so production of eco-friendly recycling products. So based on the above mechanism, the Recycle Coin provides coins to users by applying a compensation method. Coins are paid in a number of ways, including circular resource compensation and recovery transport compensation, self-factory transport compensation, and new resource creation compensation. The reward is intended to encourage Recycle Coin users to engage actively in responsibility and sustainability related to environmental issues. In addition, Recycle Coins use eco-friendly methods to process trading, allowing users to increase their responsibility and to protect the environment and engage in more sustainable economic activities. So basically, I mean, if you're going to recycle, you're going to do environmentally, sustainable things. You're going to carbon neutrality, etc. This coin is going to reward you. Now, it goes through the, obviously it's not everything's fully available yet, and it's just going to happen, and it's working towards doing this. And because this token is very brand new, not even 4 holders yet, and is being launched June 26th. So they have a business model over here. It's going to be citizen-led, systematic operation management, technical skills, scalability, economics, compensation, stable revenue generation, leasing equipment free of charge. They show how it's all going to work in the future. So you can't just go recycle tomorrow and they're going to hand you coins. This is very much a project in the making is what they're saying. But they're hoping it will get there. I mean, a lot of tokens just start out as kind of like Kickstarter things. Now they have a business roadmap that shows, the very first step is obviously the listing on global exchanges like Mexc Global. Then we have the white paper, the homepage, and then they're going to come out with an app. So that's what's coming out next after that. And then they're going to come out with the advanced unmanned collection systems after the app. And then more of the business model comes out. Token is split up between holders, advisors, development, airdrops, plastic bottle mining, ecosystem expansion, incineration of PET, pulverizing equipment owner, action device owner, foundation retention, and marketing and cooperative company. It's an Ethereum token, 9 decimal places. And then it has a little bit of team and advisors information at the bottom of their paper, a legal disclaimer. And that is about it. So check out this token on Mexc Global. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, there is a referral code in the description box down there. So check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.